Hiya pals, it's that Jess here, and today I've got a really overdue video for you, and you'll find out why in a second. But before I start the actual video, I just want to show you this top that I'm wearing. It literally came in the post today, and I was really kindly sent it by the people at Unzi store. I'll put the name of the store down here so that it's easier to like search if you want to. But it's just a really cute white t-shirt with like this sheer heart cut out, and I've been after one of these tops for ages, so thank you to the people at Unzi. I can't wait to like wear this to death. So back to the actual video. A while ago, and when I say a while ago I mean literally end of January, start of February, I was sent some makeup palettes by Revolution. Now I love Revolution and Makeup Revolution, all that kind of like makeup brand. They're all kind of under the same company, and I've been using them for years. So when I got sent these eyeshadow palettes, I was so happy because I honestly love their makeup. So I thought I would do a little bit of a first impressions review video, do some swatches, and then try out one of the makeup palettes. Now I have had votes going on my Instagram stories to try and decide which eyeshadow palette I will be doing a look with today, and it looks like it's going to be the Heartbeats one, which I will show you in a minute. So this is the box I got. Kabam! Oh wait, no, not quite there yet. Kabam! We have some eyeshadow palettes. So you've got this little heart one, and it's called the Heartbeats palette, and it's in the shape of a heart with very like pinky, warm toned shades. You've then got this one, which oh my gosh reminds me of Polly Pocket. Anyone else get Polly Pocket vibes from that? Because I certainly do. But this is the Ocean's Treasure one, and it's got more cool toned blues, purples, those kind of colours. And then this one is the Diamond Bright one, which I love. I don't think I can choose a favourite, but this is definitely up there. I love this one, and it's very bright. It's meant to be, my guess is like gem like theme, so you've got sapphires, rubies, all that kind of stuff. So it's very bright, but then you've got like half it's bright, half it's dark. I will show you in a minute. So those are what the palettes look like, and I believe they are £8 each. They are now actually available on Superdrug and on the official website as well, so I'll link both of those down below. So the first one I'm going to test out on like and swatch and show you is this Heartbeats one, which has definitely been really popular on the Instagram scene. I've not really touched these or looked at them since getting them. I had a little sneak peek and I've had like one use of the diamond palette, but I've really wanted to try and keep them as unused as possible so I could do a proper first impressions. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So you can see it's very warm tone, but actually there's a lot more variants than just pink, which you'd expect from a heart one. So you've got like reds and neutrals, a few greens and golds, which is actually really nice. It's kind of different. So there's 20 shades in here. They're quite small, but I've found with their makeup palettes that they last forever. So the payoff is so good for the colour. They last ages on your face, and they're just really good. I think definitely from looking at this, Sweet Nothings is going to be an ultimate like go-to shade for me. Fluster, Hot Day, maybe even Sizzle, that's quite an out there shade. I'm loving all of these, and what I like about palettes like these is because it's so compact, you can just take it around like that. Right, we are going to attempt to swatch because I've never had to swatch anything before and I'm not very good with this camera. So please bear with me. I'm just going to like bam 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 swatch, and hopefully it goes alright. So this shade is Sizzle. Kabam. Whoa, look at that. That's crazy good. I like that. My arm is starting to ache. Those are the shades. As you can see, that's crazy good pigmentation, and I've not dipped my finger in like really tough, really hard. That's just a simple put it in and brush. So that's amazing. So that was the Heartbeats palette from Revolution. Very cute. I love it. I can't wait to display it, and I'll be doing a look with this once I've reviewed all the others. So this is the Ocean's Treasure one, and here are the shades for these. So definitely a lot more cool tones. You've got some really vibrant colours going on there. So you've got like Shallows, Ocean, jellyfish, freshwater. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use this palette. I can imagine this making a really fresh makeup look. Definitely for like going to a beach or on holiday. I can just imagine that being so perfect. I keep having to take breaks between swatching palettes because my arm is aching so much. Kudos to makeup gurus and YouTubers that do this all the time. You must have like arms of steel. Wow. Right, so that is the swatches for the Ocean Treasures palette. I think the shades in here are really cool. They actually look better on the skin than they do in here, and they look gorgeous in here. I cannot wait to wear that one and just all of them. So that was the Ocean's Treasure palette. I think it's really cute. I love, as I said, I've loved all of these palettes, but this one's really sweet. It's very fresh and very mystical, magical, and I love that. So the last palette to show you is the Diamond Bright one, which is in the shape of this diamond with a really cool like mirror effect on the front, and here is inside the Diamond Bright palette. So I found that the top is very vibrant and bright, and the bottom is a little bit darker, a little bit more grungy looking, I guess. I love this palette, the top especially, because they're all such bright and funky colours that I can't wait to use. It's always nice just to have a really good variety of colours. I think all these palettes that I've showed you today really have a good selection of shades to use. So no matter what kind of look you're going for, whether it's a daytime, nighttime, event, party, going out for lunch, whatever, you've got loads of options to choose from just from each of the palettes alone, let alone putting them all together. I'd say I'm not picking favourites, but I do definitely really love this palette, because look at these shades, like, I love it. This is definitely a palette for anyone that wants to get like brighter eye makeup. It's so good. The pigmentation is amazing. As I said like before, this is like barely touching the eyeshadows and putting it onto my skin. Just look at them, they are really pretty, and I love this palette a lot. So that was the Diamond Bright palette. Right, so here comes the bit of the video that I'm most nervous about. I mean, I was nervous about doing swatches because I'd never done swatches before. But here I'm actually putting makeup on camera, which I haven't done before, and I am in no way a makeup artist or someone that vaguely knows what they're doing with makeup. But I really wanted to test out one of these palettes, as I said, and that is the Heartbeat palette, because that was the one that was most requested. So I've got all my other makeup on, eyebrows, face, lips, everything else, but my eyeballs are naked. I always start off really boring with my makeup and like get a fairly neutral shade to just outline my eyes. Simply because I'm rubbish at eye makeup and I will go too far if I do not have some sort of like parameter to apply my eyeshadow in. I'm going to take Heartbreaker, this like cool toned pink shade here, and just apply it all over the lids. I don't know how well this is going to look on camera, but we will go with it. I'm already loving this shade. Probably a bit darker than what I would normally do a base colour with. I'd normally go for like a beigey, peachy kind of colour. Sometimes either a cream or a white. Right, so I think over the top of that, I'm going to put Fluster, this like really nice warm coral toned pink, on the first 2/3 of my eyes. Right, that's cute. That is really cute. Right, so we have some colour going on my eyelids. Bam, bam, bam. We are changing eyeshadow brushes to this fluffy one, which is actually a Makeup Revolution one. This is where things are going to get interesting. We're going to take Hot Date, this like hot pink colour, and we're going to put it through the crease and this like corner of the eye. We're just going to like get very professional here and use the finger to tidy up just a tad. That is looking quite funky though, but we're going to take it up a notch and take this sizzle shade, which I absolutely love whilst watching it. So let's hope I don't mess it up and like bring shame to the whole Revolution makeup brand. I'm going to change brushes quickly just because I get more impact with this one and then blend it out with that one after. There we are. I still am not out of my Valentine's red and pink phase because that colour combination is just too much to love. Too much love? Too much not to love, that's the one. So that is kind of what it's looking like right now. And I am loving it. If you're looking at this for a makeup tutorial, please don't. It's not that great. If you're looking at it to make yourself feel better about your makeup skills, then please carry on. Taking this very small brush, I am going to take the colour Sweet Nothings, which is another like shade that I've gone crazy for, and put it on the inner corners. Oh man, why didn't I do it this close up to start with? Sorry guys. I am really loving that. It's a bit messy, but that's on my half, not on the eyeshadow palette's half. This is good, I am not. But that is looking pretty cool. I'm quite happy with that. So eye makeup is not done until I've put mascara on and bedazzled it. So let me do that now. And that is the makeup done. So all I done was add some mascara and some Urban Decay metal glitter eyeliner, whatever it's called, to my eyelids. But that is a eyeshadow look from the Heartbeats palette by Revolution. So yes, I really love this look. It's pink and red and glitter, and it's everything I love about eyeshadow and makeup and stuff in general. So that palette definitely has a thumbs up from me. They all do actually, and I can't actually wait to make many more looks with all the other palettes and this one as well. Let me know what your favourite makeup palette was in the comments. I'm really not sure. I love all of them. They all have a special place in my heart now, and I cannot wait to just use them all. I'm very excited. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know also if you want any more makeup videos, because I'm not a genius in terms of makeup. I'm really not. I'm not the most skilled. However, they are super fun. They're a way of being creative on your face, and I just love it. So please let me know if you want me to do any more makeup videos, like an everyday makeup look or another one of the palettes maybe. But yes, I will see you next time. Bye guys. Yay.